वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. As you watch all the people, today we are visit to Khalsa Seva Charitable Trust Batala. Chairman Pai Kulveer Singh ji Juke were 65 girls who are without their parents and helpless. But unfortunately, nobody is present in this world to help them and take care them. But luckily, Khalsa Seva Charitable Trust is a great community which is going by Pai Kulveer Singh Ji Juke, in which these parentless girls are living from a long time period and spend their life as a normal girl child. Now we are going to talk with some child who are parentless and living in the Khalsa Seva Charitable Trust. First of all, what's your name?
Taranjot Kaur,
Okay, where are you coming from?
Ali Nangalam.
As you listen that she is coming from the Ali Nangal, and why you are coming in this Khalsa Seva Charitable Trust, and why you are living in this trust, please tell me about something yourself.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਕਿਉਂ ਆਏ ਹੋ ਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਦੱਸੋ ਆਪਣੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਉਣ ਦਾ
ਮੇਰੇ ਮੰਮਾ ਪਾਪਾ ਮੈਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੇ ਇਸ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਵਿੱਚ, ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਮੇਰੀ ਦਾਦੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪੜ੍ਹਾ ਸਕਦੀ ਤੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਛੱਡ ਗਏ.
As you people listen that her parents are not living in this world, and nowadays she is living in this trust for getting all the latest facilities and getting education. So that's why I think that this is a very big and great step which is taken by Pai Kulveer Singh Ji. And now we are going to talk about some other information which is getting from this trust. And please tell me that what kind of information that you getting from in this trust.
ਦੱਸੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਕੀ ਸਿੱਖ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਕੀ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਸਿੱਖਦੇ ਹੋ
ਇੱਥੇ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਗੱਤਕਾ ਸਿੱਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਹੁਣ ਵੀ ਸਿੱਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ.
So as you listen that there are so many educative things which are getting with the help of Khalsa Seva Charitable Trust, such as children learned how to play tabla, harmonium, Sikh martial art, and how to tie different kinds of beautiful dumala. And without these kind of educative things, they are also get schooling studies with the help of Sikh Khalsa Seva Charitable Trust. And then now we are going to talk about some other girls who are helpless. First of all, please tell me about something yourself.
ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਅਰਪਨਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਕੌਰ ਆ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਲਾਗੋ ਹੀ 5 ਗ੍ਰਹਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਆਈ ਵਾਂ.
As you listen that they are not able to speak in English, so that's why I want to talk and translate their language in the English language. She said that her name is Arpandeep Kaur, and please tell me again, where are you coming from?
I am from 5 ਗ੍ਰਹਿਆਂ.
As you listen that she is coming from Panjgraiya village, and please tell me something about that, what kind of information that are getting with the help of Khalsa Seva Charitable Trust, please tell me.
ਇੱਥੇ ਰਹਿ ਕੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਕੁਝ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ. ਇੱਥੇ ਸ਼ਸਤਰ ਵਿਦਿਆ, ਕੀਰਤਨ ਵਿਦਿਆ, ਸੰਥਿਆ, ਬਹੁਤ ਕੁਝ ਹੋਰ ਵੀ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੀ ਪੜ੍ਹਾਈ, ਗੁਰਮਤਿ ਵਿਦਿਆ ਤੇ ਹੋਰ ਬਹੁਤ ਕੁਝ ਮਤਲਬ ਕਿ ਗੁਰਮਤਿ ਬਾਰੇ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ. ਇੱਥੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਕਿ ਸਿੱਖੀ ਹੈ ਕੀ ਆ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ੍ਹ ਪਿੰਡ ਦਾ ਮਾਹੌਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ, ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿ ਸਿੱਖੀ ਹੈ ਕੀ. ਇਹ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਬੱਚੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਦੂਰ ਨੇ. ਇੱਥੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ.
So are you happy by living in this Khalsa Seva Charitable Trust?
ਹਾਂਜੀ, ਮੈਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਖੁਸ਼ ਹਾਂ, ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੀ ਖੁਸ਼ ਹਾਂ.
So guys, as you listen that all the girls who are helpless and parentless are happy in this Khalsa Seva Charitable Trust, as she think that in their village there are not any other guidance by which they get all the information like how to tie the mala, Gursikhi and Kirtan, how to play tabla, harmonium and Sikh martial art. But she said that by living in this Khalsa Seva Charitable Trust and with the donation of Pai Kulveer Singh Ji, who are living in the UK, they are able to get all the latest facilities, and they are happy in this trust. And I want to talk that all the people who are living in these national and international countries, please donate something more and more money by which this Khalsa Seva Charitable Trust get more progression and help all the careless and parentless children. ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ।